Dear student, taxonomic hierarchy. It includes 7 categories: kingdom, phylum, class, order, family, genus, species. Species basic unit of classification. Similar morphological traits produce fertile offspring. Closely related species produce sterile offspring. Genus groups closely related species. Only one species monotypic, more than one species polytypic. Cats, Felidae domestica. Family groups related genera with less similarity. Felidae include genus Felis, Panthera, lion, tiger, leopard. Order assemblance of one or more related families. Family Canidae Felidae placed under order Carnivora. Class one or more related order. Order primates comprising monkey, ape, man. It include carnivore. Phylum similar distinct character. Classes fishes, amoeba, reptile, aves, mammals. It's under the category phylum Chordata. Kingdom animals belong various phyla. Systematic of human being. Kingdom Animalia, phylum Chordata, class Mammalia, order Primata, family Comidae, genus Homo, species Sapiens. Nomenclature. Numerous characters examined before naming the organism, such as human being. Scientific name is Homo sapiens. Worldwide acceptance. These names are worldwide acceptance by the guidelines with the help of ICSN, International Code of Zoological Nomenclature. Binomial by two naming name Carlos Nes Patrick Indian Piafol, Pavo Cristatus. Animal tiger, Panthera tigris. Trinomial nomenclature. Purpose by Huxley, Strickland, Indian house crow, Corvus plantus. Genus, species, subspecies. Tautonium. Generic specific name are same. Indian cobra, Naja. Rules of nomenclature. Literally in printed form. Genus, capital letter, species, small letter. Two organs not similar. Published scientific name along with year. Felis Leo L. 1758. Concept of species. John Ray. Written about Hysteria generalis plantarum. 1693, 3 volume. Carlos Ness. Species basic unit of classification. Charles Darwin, 1859. Origin of species. Natural selection. Tools for study of taxonomy. Plants and animals. Plants herbarium, the botanic garden, animals museum and park. Visit, survey, identification, classification, preservation and documentation. The classification taxonomical tools. Taxonomic key, analysis, similarity, dissimilarity. Museum, preservation of plant and animals. Zoological park, protect human care. Marine park, maintained in protected environment. Printed taxonomical tools. ID cards, description, field guide, and manuals. Molecular taxonomical tools. DNA barcoding. Identification DNA, particular species. DNA hybridization, measure and genetic similarities. DNA fingerprint. Identify nuclear form a sample of DNA. RFFL, description fragment length polymerism. Analysis homologous DNA sequence. PCR.